Have you ever wondered how Ooma can work without an internet connection? It's a question that's puzzled many people, especially in areas with unreliable or non-existent internet service. In this video, we'll dive deep into the technology behind Ooma and explore how it manages to stay connected and functional even when the internet is down. Understanding Ooma's hybrid technology. Ooma's unique ability to operate without an internet connection is rooted in its hybrid technology. It combines the power of both traditional landline networks and cellular connectivity to ensure uninterrupted service. Traditional landline network. Ooma utilizes the existing landline network as its primary connection. This means that in areas with a robust landline infrastructure, Ooma can function seamlessly, even if the internet is unavailable. Cellular backup. As a backup, Ooma also incorporates cellular technology. If the landline connection is disrupted, Ooma can automatically switch to the cellular network, ensuring that calls can continue without interruption. The role of Ooma base station and Ooma telephones. The Ooma base station and Ooma telephones play crucial roles in enabling Ooma's offline functionality. Ooma base station. The base station acts as the central hub of the Ooma system. It's responsible for managing calls, handling data, and switching between the landline and cellular networks as needed. Ooma telephones. The Ooma telephones are designed to work seamlessly with the base station. They receive calls from the landline or cellular network and transmit them to the appropriate recipient. How Ooma handles calls without internet. When the internet is down, Ooma's system takes the following steps to ensure uninterrupted service. Prioritizing landline. Ooma first attempts to connect to the landline network. If the landline is available, calls will be routed through this connection. Switching to cellular. If the landline connection is unavailable, Ooma automatically switches to the cellular network. The base station will establish a cellular connection and route calls through this network. Call routing and handoffs. Ooma's system is designed to handle call routing and handoffs seamlessly, ensuring that calls are not dropped during the transition between networks. Additional features and considerations. Emergency calls. Ooma prioritizes emergency calls and ensures that they can be made even when the internet is down. Call quality. Ooma's hybrid technology helps to maintain high call quality, even in areas with poor internet or cellular coverage. Data usage. While Ooma can function without the internet, it may still require a cellular data connection for certain features, such as voicemail and call history. Ooma's ability to operate without an internet connection is a testament to its innovative technology and commitment to providing reliable communication services. By combining the power of landline and cellular networks, Ooma ensures that users can stay connected, even in challenging conditions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.